Welcome, it's Denson Doodle, and today I am unboxing and doing a demo of what this inflatable is. This is a really cool inflatable that we got for cheap at a store that's closing down called Big Lots. After taking it out of the box, I laid it out and made sure that there were no holes.
Son located the cord to the inflatable. I grabbed an extension cord and we connected these up and started getting the inflatable set up.
So right here I did a little fluffing, making sure that the inflating was good, and it looked pretty good to me.
After seeing it fully inflated, we thought this was a great little inflatable for any Halloween spot. If you like Halloween, be sure to check out this video here and subscribe because we bring a ton of Halloween content. Thanks a lot.
And have a great day.